Wagwan my goodies. Today I'm going to do some Jamaican style Escovitch fish, and I get these fish from Jamaica, and I'm telling you they're gold. Anyway, we're gonna Escovitch these fish, and I have some season here that I'm gonna season with. I have the all-purpose Maggi seasoning, garlic pepper powder. You can use black pepper. I have some garlic powder and some onion salt. I have a little bit of salt because I already have like the onion salt and stuff in here, and this is what I'm going to use to just season our fish. I'm going to season on the outside, both sides, turn them over, season. And you see these incisions that I put in the fish, make sure that you get the incisions. Make sure you get inside of the fish as well. Everything we're gonna season, right? I already have some oil on the stove, and the oil is getting hot, so I'm going to fry these, and then we're going to make the Escovitch sauce for the fish. So the oil well hot, and we are going to put in our fish now for fry. There you go. So we're going to fry them nice and golden on one side. Flip it over, fry it nice and golden on the other side. Do not flip your fish until after about 5 or 6 minutes. So I flip them over, and I'm allowing them now to fry on the other side. So I'm going to fry all of them this way. Just a tip, when you clean your fish, make sure you dry them with a paper towel. You don't want them to be too wet, okay, before you season it. Okay, goodies, so the fish them done fry. As you can see, they're looking beautiful. Yes, so we're gonna make the pickle for the fish. So I have some carrots, hot pepper, pimento seed, and onion, and that's what I'm going to use to make the pickle to Escovitch the fish. So I have some vinegar in a pot, and I'm just going to boil these in the vinegar for about 3 minutes. Turn off the stove and leave everything in the vinegar so that all this niceness, the carrot and the onion, the pimento seed and the pepper, can be released into the vinegar, because we need the water and everything to pour over the fish. Alright, so make we go do that. Make we go make the pickle, and then we are gonna come back, pickle him up, and see how I'm looking. Okay? Alright. Okay, so that is it. That is the final result, my people. This is how it is looking. It is beautiful. As you can see, I put the pickle over it, pour some of the juice, some of the vinegar sauce over it, and just leave it for a few seconds to soak into the fish. And then you can enjoy this with some fried bami, with your rice and peas, at a festival, whatever. So here what you do now for me. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet, and let me know what you think about this recipe. Until next time, walk good